Well, hello there, YT. My name is Cassandra and welcome to my channel, Recv'd. Now, the reason for today's video, I wanted to bring some information to you guys as it pertains to when you're doing your research and you're purchasing hair from these vendors on AliExpress. Please do your research. Do check out the vendors thoroughly, and by all means make sure upon receipt of your hair, inspect your hair thoroughly and make sure that you measure, that everything is true to length. Now, one thing about me, just to give you a little background about me, I've been in this hair game for well over 30 years. So I'm not new to hair, weaving, wigs, all of that. I've been doing that for a very long time. Now, I've always been into hair and makeup. That was always my side hustle. I used to do freelance makeup, hair, wigs, all that kind of stuff. The state of California paid the bills. I was an accounting chief for the Department of Transportation for 17 years, and I retired a year and a half ago. They paid my mortgage, but on the side, I've always done my hair, anything beauty related, basically. That's always been my thing. So once I retired and I moved from California to Georgia, that's when I decided to turn my passion into my beauty empire. So that's what I'm working on now, is building my business. I'd rather work for myself as opposed to work for somebody else. But anyways, I don't want to go into all of that. But so basically, I had never ever worked with 613 hair before. I had never purchased 613 hair before. So I, like many of you, did my research, pulled up YouTube videos, went online, all of that. And so I found this one site, blackhairclub.com, where they had listed the best AliExpress hair vendors. And when I went to the site, I was trying to copy and paste everything because they had everything ranked, the A-list, best recommended. And those that are listed as an A-list, they say it means the highest ranking AliExpress hair stores that have been built for years with millions of great positive customer feedback. You can buy with them for full trust. So when I went to the site, I tried to copy and paste. They had it blocked where you couldn't paste it. So I had to type all this stuff out by hand. And so, oh shoot, y'all can't see that. I have to change the mode here. Well, I can't do it in the recording, but anyways. So I had everything, I did everything, you know, listed, and the top 10 613 vendors, MyDiva was one of them. So when I went to the website, I would never ever purchase any hair from any AliExpress vendor that has less than 100 orders, period. If they haven't been in business for several years, and you know, at least, or definitely over 95% of positive feedback. So like I said, I went and did all the research, YouTube videos, read all the reviews, all that good stuff, both positive and negative, because you're going to always have negative reviews, be it legitimate or not. So I did all that, and so I took the leap. I said, well, I'll go ahead and I'll give it a shot. So what I ordered was 12-inch frontal with a 12-inch, 14-inch, and 16-inch bundles in the body wave. Okay, and I received my hair. This is the closure. Okay, and the closure doesn't look bad. You know, came pre-plucked, as you can see, so you don't have much work to do to the closure. And so, you know, I examined it. The first thing I did when I first opened this up, I ran my fingers through it. It shocked the crap out of me because so much hair fell on my desk, and my desk is black. I mean, my desk was literally covered with hairs, and I was nervous. I'm like, whoa, is that normal? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Is it normal for the hair to have that much shedding when you put your fingers through it? I'm not accustomed to that. on 613 hair. So I'm like, okay. So then I opened up my 12-inch bundle, and no, I'm not pleased. It feels like, Horace, it feels dead. I kid you not. The hair feels dead. It feels like it's over processed. That's what it feels like. And there is so much, they got so much filler hair in this stuff. Can y'all see all these short hairs sticking up? Now, you know, when you go to do your weave, you thinking you all fly. Oh yeah, your stuff is laid. You got all these straight hairs sticking up through your weave and your wig. That ain't cute. No. And see what a lot of these vendors will do. You know, we know this is not, you're not buying raw virgin hair. Raw virgin hair, that's the one you're going to spend the big dollars on, that luxury hair, okay? So this is not coming from one donor. You have multiple donors that this is coming from. But what a lot of vendors will do, especially some of these coming from China, they put a lot of that filler hair in that to bulk up the wefts. So it makes you think that you're getting a lot of hair and you don't. And that's why you'll see the weft, it's all full at the base, and then it gets thinner and thinner, and then when you get to the ends, it's all thin. This is, no. I wouldn't, I don't care if, even if it's blonde, brunette, whatever. I still wouldn't keep this hair. This is trash. This is, no, this is not good quality hair. I'm sorry. But what really got my goat, and the purpose of this video, so I always measure my bundles. Always. You guys, please, you got to measure your stuff. As soon as you get it, measure your stuff. So I measure my bundles. My bundles are true to length. So this is a 12-inch. So I'm going to put this weft here so y'all can see. You stretch that hair out. Okay. This is a 12-inch. Now, the frontal, no. No. So, I want to show you something, and this is what really irritated me. So I measured the frontal, and the frontal measures 9 inches. So when you measure a frontal, let me show you guys something. When you measure a frontal, be it a frontal or closure, you always measure from the root. Root to ends, okay? Root to end is easier, and that's why I prefer doing it from the back, since at the back here, this is right at the base at the root, so I'll measure it from root to end. So when I put this, so I'm just going to put it right here at the top of this measuring tape. Let me get it straight so y'all can see. And when you stretch this baby out, y'all see where that go? That's where it ends. So this is what they're selling me. I'm paying for 12 inches. And it's not, this is an 8-inch closure. Excuse me, 8-inch frontal. This is not even 10 inches. And so the lady gonna tell me, oh, well, that's what we do. We measure, you're supposed, she gonna send me this damn picture. And excuse me, I apologize, I don't mean to offend anybody. But she gonna send me this picture, telling me, well, you're supposed to measure it from the top of the lace to the bottom. So what they're doing, they send you, you guys will see a picture, and they be posting those pictures on their websites too, where they show, let me pull this down some, where they're showing, they're taking the measurement from the top to the bottom, stretched out, and that's how they come up with the 12 inches. You guys, don't be fooled. That's bullshit. Don't be fooled. That's how a lot of these companies are taking you guys. That is not how you measure the hair. Same thing, and I'm going to use, this is a closure that I got. This is a brand new closure that I haven't used yet. This one is in the body wave texture, And I got this from Sam's Beauty. Now this is a 10-inch too. I can just use my little mannequin here. We'll put it here. And I'm going to just pin her real quick. And we're going to show you this. So, take my little hefty tape measure. You raise the hair up, guys. At the base, you lay that hair down along that measuring tape. Okay? This is a 10-inch. Excuse me. And right here is where, this is where that hair ended. Okay. I purchased a 10-inch closure. That's what it says on here. A 10-inch closure in body weight. And that's what I got. This one from MyDiva. This is supposed to be a 12-inch in body weight. But yet, I get an 8-inch now. So, I'm sending all this back first thing tomorrow morning. But I want to knock this video out first before I do. That's just not right. You know, I am a woman of integrity. And I don't believe in, I'm not a liar. And I'm not going to lie for anybody. And I don't believe in taking advantage of people. That's just, wrong is wrong and right is right. That's just what it is. So, I just want you guys to be informed out there. And just make sure you do your homework and check your stuff. Don't be fooled. Don't get taken, okay? Alright, God bless you.